welcome back to my channel. For those of you who wonders who is this guy behind the camera, it's me. Here on this channel I go through crypto journeys with you guys. So basically I'm just sharing what I do and what I know about cryptocurrency. And today I'm finally showing you my crypto mining bedroom. Okay, let me put the microphone. Alright guys, so I hope you can hear me well because I'm using an external microphone. So for the majority of you out there, it sounds very weird because you used to hear crypto mining garage, crypto mining basement, balcony, etc. So here is something new, crypto mining bedroom. And you probably think that I sleep here, and my answer is yes. During the night I just switch it all off and enjoy total silence. Sometimes I just put my AirPods Pro and switch on noise cancellation. Just kidding, this is a guest bedroom located very far from all other rooms. It is literally the last room in the apartment. And speaking of neighbors, they do not hear anything, so I'm quite happy with that. And the only place you can hear it from is the outside, since I'm keeping my windows open all the time. Even when it is raining, I just close it like that and we're good to go. Temperature in this room usually stays like that, but once I decided to try and close the windows for one night, next morning I end up having 43 degrees Celsius. It's not even the same as 43 degrees outside somewhere near hot tropical places. It is super dry with hot wind blowing into your face. So I'm not going to repeat that mistake again. The air should be fresh and should not be too dry. So what I'm planning to do here is I'm going to... Oh my god, that noise. Hope you can hear me even with that microphone. So what I'm gonna try here, and I will try to cover the windows with some kind of isolation, like with the air conditioning pipe. You have these sheets made of some kind of water resistant cloth which sticks to the edges of your windows with Velcro, I think, leaving some area for the exhaust pipe which will blow all hot air out. For that I have purchased one thing. It's like an industrial fan, energy efficient. You can control the power of a little propeller inside with the remote, like here. Also there is a special device, it is sold separately. What it does is it measures the temperature around, and if it is going over 26 degrees Celsius, it switches that fan on. I have also air conditioning here, but I do not think that it is going to be very effective, speaking of power consumption. So this is kind of interesting topic for me, since the summer is coming and the temperature is going to be much higher in here. And if you guys know what should be done here, please let me know in the comments, and I would really appreciate your suggestions. In the meantime, I will try to find the area for my crypto mining hobby somewhere around Geneva, and hopefully I will be able to find it before the hot sunny days arrive. And one of the best things is that as soon as you open the door, when you close it, you don't really hear the sound. Well, you can hear it, but not very. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.